Okay, my Audi S5 is going back today. The assessor is coming out, and prior to him coming out, I just want to walk around the car and show you what might potentially be picked up as damage, which would be chargeable, and what I think would be deemed fair wear and tear. So just to give you a bit of an idea of the condition of it, I've got 2 kids, I've got a dog. It's a bit of a mess. It's been given the kind of token clean, but just to give you an idea, not in terms of what you can get away with, but ultimately just getting a feel for what is really genuine damage. Okay, so first up is this scratch in the bonnet, which you might be able to see. I think maybe a cat or something was climbing over the car. Now, it's about, there's the size of my hand against it. It's probably about 6 to kind of 8 inches long. It's fairly superficial. I don't think I'll get charged for that, but I'm just kind of highlighting it there. You can see generally the bonnet's got lots of kind of chips on it, like here. Completely stone chipped, the whole thing. You can see the paint crazing is particularly bad on this car. It's just not been washed particularly well. You're never going to get charged for that unless it's absolutely severe and the lacquer's completely gone. But again, just quite nice to be handing back a 2-year-old car and getting something new and not having to kind of deal with that with any paint correction. There is a ding here. You can see the light kind of picking that up. Again, I'd be very surprised if I had to pay anything for that, just given the nature of it and the fact that it's just one ding on the door. If there were several dings, then yes, but just the one should be absolutely fine. Alloy wheels are always a bit of a kind of sticking point for people in terms of curb marks. Now, mine are completely uncurbed, although I've got a couple of wee chips up here and kind of down here. Again, I would be astonished if I was charged anything for that. The BVRLA Fair Wear and Tear Guide states that you're allowed up to 2 inches of marks, continuous marks on each wheel, so that shouldn't be an issue at all. Just to show you the general condition of the car, like I said, I've got a couple of kids in the back here, token clean, bit of mud there. There's kind of smoothie and things still on the seat. That seat there is all kind of kicked and a bit scratched. Into the front, token hoover, took me 10 minutes this morning. Again, still, just a bit dirty. Even just looking at the centre console there, you can see just the dust and dirt, and it's just not a clean car at all, really. Okay, so the assessor's been out, he's had a look at the car, been all over it top to bottom, inside out. He's even been out with a wee paint depth measure to see if there's been any accident damage, so a very thorough assessment. Believe it or not, there has been no additional charges placed on this car for handing back, which doesn't really surprise me because it's, I think, my 5th or 6th lease car. But just to give you a very clear understanding of what is deemed fair wear and tear and what is just and what's damage, and in this instance it's all just fair wear and tear. The car's not particularly clean, it doesn't need to be in showroom condition. The assessor is clean enough for the assessor to be able to see that there is no damage, and it's as simple as that. No charges, happy days.